So you're in the chair for getting your Invisalign fitted for the first time? Let us take you through the process. Here's a step-by-step look at how it's done. Step 1. Here we try on the template and check for the fit and attachments provided. If all's good, we proceed to Step 2. That is, isolating your teeth and etching the surfaces of the teeth which need attachments. We leave the etch on for a few seconds before we thoroughly rinse it and dry it. This step cleanses your teeth and helps the attachments stick well to your teeth. Moving on to Step 3. Keeping your teeth saliva and moisture free, we apply adhesive or the bonding agent to the teeth that have been etched and set them with curing light. Step 4. We then place composite on the Invisalign attachment template wherever the attachments are provided. Step 5. The template with the attachments are then fitted onto your teeth and set hard with the curing light. The template is then removed with the attachments sticking well to your teeth. The excess composite is removed and polished off. We then teach you how to wear and remove your first Invisalign. Other wear and care instructions are provided to you verbally, and your Invisalign box and aligners are handed over to you with a schedule of change. And that's how your first appointment for Invisalign fitting goes.